Headshot.
Alright, we got eyes on paddles.
We got eyes on paddles
We
right
are
here right
approximately 5 minutes up the river. So he's in the big group of trees right here. You can see him right in the middle. Big group of trees.
Yeah, I got
to
it.
the right. We got a bull moving from right to left, fully developed. Nice bull. He's coming to the open now.
I'm thinking we anchor, shoot off the roof. Okay, I gotta go another mile to get right to the shore. What do you think I should target?
I think you should target to the left side of all these trees because he's walking straight this way. Dude, if you can get within 100 yards of the shore, I bet you have less than a 300-yard shot. So I've lost visual.
That's all right. I think we trust the call, right?
Trust the call.
I'm thinking things are looking pretty good. Get this anchor down.
Moving to a different spot. We spotted a bull along the wood line over there. Decent rack. And we started calling to him, and he was responding with some grunts. It sounded like there was more than one cow in the area, so he might have just kind of gave us a cold shoulder and headed back in the woods. But we're moving 0.8 miles up the river here. Gonna anchor up for the night, and then tomorrow morning we'll start calling. Hopefully get him to come out and get a shot at him.
Just woke up this morning, doing a little spotting and calling. Trying to get this guy to come out of the woods so we can get a shot at him.
Headshot. Woo-hoo! Come on up right in. Woo!
We got him. How close did he get to you?
That was 65, maybe?
Under 100 for sure, yeah.
Get the nurse up here to check my heart rate.
I thought he was gonna charge you.
I mean, I don't want to endanger anyone, but I'm pretty sure he's dropped.
Is that a headshot?
Yeah. Follow behind me. Nice eyes, buddy. You spotted that thing for me.
He's gonna walk right into you if you weren't careful coming back across there.
Where'd he go?
I don't know, trying to do a little bit of a...
He wasn't farther than I am.
There he is. Eyes on.
Oh yeah, she's paddle. You guys were right at that stick.
That's pretty close.
That's what I said. I thought he was gonna charge you guys.
We're good.
Look at that.
Okay, whose rack is bigger?
Stevens is wider, but mine's got
Oh,
a few more points on the
oh my goodness.
Nice shot,
good eating
dude.
moves.
Nice job.
Well, nice work, team. You guys found them for me. I don't know if me going out in the bushes did any good.
Nice bowl.
Nice mountain, nice eating. Perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Headshot don't come easy.
36.
Yeah, it's 36 on the money.
Should take it above the knee. Or
Okay.
just below it.
Yeah.
Trying you guys. 141.
Yeah, it's more developed, but it's smaller. Like in,
Yeah, that's the top of the scapula there. Yep.
and then
This can come off weight.
Well, Lucky Willy got lucky again.
how much luck are we talking here? I thought there was some skill involved.
Here's your 3 foot back strap.
So they're supposed to look like. That might be my bullet hole right there. 2 of them.
That's cool. Half mile to the boat. Look at that guy.
Good eating all winter. I can take the ribs and take the head.